Hi, I'm going to show you the new self-install 5.1 from Cabelcon and the old version and the installation procedure. Here I have two pieces of Axitronic cable which I'm going to use for the installation. I'm going to start with the old one and then show you the new one. So first of all, I'm going to prep the cable using whatever prep tool you have and how you do it. See, mine is not completely adjusted, so I'll just remove it. I always use a brush for the fold back, but do whatever you feel like. I'm always making sure that I just touch the dielectricum. So I'm going to take the old one, which is a blind entry, so I have to make sure that I don't catch the foil, and I'll press it on. So now you can see it's fully forward, it's pressed on and ready to be installed. So the new version, I'll prep the cable again. Make the fold back. Notice on this one the foil makes a small fold. I'll just touch that back. Make sure I don't catch the braid. So I'll take the new one. On the new one you can actually help yourself during the installation by just taking a piece of a cable and push on the interface on the front. You'll feel a small click and you can see that the insert moves back. So now you can actually see the insert completely and it's much easier to install. So you put it on, you can feel it sliding on, and I just press it on and it's fully installed.